I got a Bobby Garland, like a blue shad. My ACC crappie stick. Wind's blowing. Oh gosh, must be about 10, 15 miles an hour. Just having to roll around through here and try to find some and pick them up. They seem to be wanting to bite. But we'll see. There you go. Big old slab, did he? Little white twitch. Get him. But he is a brown. There he is. He wanted it. Little what? There he is. Decent little fish. Windy this morning. Very windy. Let's see what we can find here. No. Come on. There you go. Oh, I missed him.
You see some fish?
Yeah. No, that was me.
Catch him on that same color, orange?
No, I got him on this blue and silver. But he was. Now that's interesting. them being this far out here, but you know. Let's see what that is right there. Yeah.
Best one today, then.
I didn't know if he was going to hit it or not.
Saw him hit it.
Yeah. Be a bass. Yeah. I saw him come to it and it was like, whoa. It was like a huge dart. Probably 2 or 3 feet off bottom.
Seeing any out there, or was he alone?
He was kind of just by himself. But they ain't fat at all. I think they ain't got no eggs or either. They're decent little fish though.